What's going on, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today I wanted to show you guys just a quick tip video on one simple product, and that is butter wet wax, because we have this Toyota Tundra in the shop and the owner leaves it parked outside all the time, and he recently noticed that the dressing from his bed liner is starting to run off onto the vehicle, and this is caused by either applying too heavy of a coat, or it's usually from a greasy dressing, or if you didn't clean it and then dry it properly before application or wipe up the excess, all kinds of factors. It'll cause it to run down, especially with either morning dew or after it's been raining for a while. And now you see that it's stained the paint here. And this is a great tip for any of you guys who, one, have white trucks or in trucks in general, or any kind of trailer where you see that kind of black runoff off the vehicle. The truck's already been washed and it's already been clayed, but you still see that there's the staining here in the paint. So now by using the natural cleaning oils of butter wet wax, I'm going to show you how to just gently remove it. Start by applying just a couple dots to our applicator pad and to myself. Go ahead and save that for later. And this is a great alternative to having to polish the vehicle or rake out more clay bars, because a clay bar is just a tool. It doesn't need to be used every time you wash the car, so keep that in mind. But the natural cleaning oils gently remove any kind of staining. Boy, that's distracting. But the natural cleaning oils of butter wet wax gently remove any kind of staining or oxidation. And you don't need a machine, just a little bit of elbow grease and some TLC. You revive some of that gloss and clarity. Just take a clean towel, wipe off any of the excess. So not only is it cleaning it, but now it's also protecting it, because it leaves behind a fine layer of that carnauba wax. And you can see there's a huge difference here. You got the nice reflective gloss and brightness on one side, and then the dull matte finish, which happens from oxidation or staining or just dirt in general that clots the pores of the paint. But like I had said, we already washed it, we already clayed it, and now we're moving on to the actual removal process using the natural cleaning oils of butter wet wax. So you can use this on your painted surfaces, you can use it on glass, chrome, anything that has that same kind of gloss or shiny finish. And it's not only going to clean it, but it's going to protect it. So I know this is a pretty short video, guys, but this is just a quick demonstration of, things that can be easily used. A product that has a two-in-one purpose, and you see here it cleans it and protects it. Very easy to do by hand or machine, obviously, but this is something that anybody can do to revive the finish of their vehicle. So if you guys like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for future videos. Don't forget to check out butter wet wax at your local detail garage or online at chemicalguys.com, and we'll see you next time.